Hope you are able to see my screen. So this is first session of 2022. We are looking and morning. Let's see where Nifty will open in pre-open market. In pre-open, its initial trends are showing negative growth, negative side of index, slight negative. It is 0.3% negative. Might be today Nifty will open below 17,300. It's possibility, and as we go on our chart, so Nifty will open around this level. So let's see, will Nifty able to hold this uh, 20 DMA, and if able to break previous high of previous day's high, which is 17,400, that will be the crucial level. Today will be the direction deciding day for the index. Let's see, as we already posted about TCS future call, we are entered a few days back in TCS call. We long the TCS future and shorted per side some calls and made a hedge position in the TCS. There is no sign where Nifty going to open above the 17,300 or 17,400. Oh, it's dramatically it goes above 17,300. Let's see. Is Nifty able to open above 17,400 or not? This will be the very crucial factor for the Nifty. Because it will very important to make a daily candle higher highs on the daily basis to go for upside and sustain upside. As we see, this 29 December Nifty made high of 17,285. On next day, 30 December's high is 17,264. So it is below side lower highs made by Nifty, and after that on 30 December, which is high of 17,264. After that, 31st December, Nifty made a high of 17,400. So this is two consecutive days where Nifty made higher highs, and let's see today on the 3rd of January, is Nifty able to make higher highs or lower high. This will be the deciding factor. If Nifty goes for the higher high, then it is clear and very clear sign of the uptrend. And also on the daily chart, as we draw the line through in recent highs, yeah, like this. Still Nifty is below 17,400, and I think it is settled at 17,387. So it is below the high of 31st December, and it is very close to the high of 31st December. So it is clear sign Nifty will sustain above 17,400 level after the normal market will open at 950. So it is almost we are in bullish zone of the market. If Nifty may sustain above 17,400, then we are going to make bull spread, which is we are going to buy the 17,300 call option, and we shorting the 17,800 call option. So if our view of bullish view is correct, then we are make good amount of profit from this call. Uh, but remember, we have to enter in this both calls, means 17,300 call option we need to buy and 17,800 call option we need to short. You can use basket order to reduce your margin requirement. Let's see how much margin will require for this. Uh, what do we say? Uh, this spread 17,300 call option of January month, the last expiry of January. If we are going to buy in intraday, then 17,800 call option. We are going to short intraday market price. Yeah, it is if you are going to take the spread, you need around 36,000 margin when you are placing the order, and when you place the order, your around 30,000 margin will be blocked. So let's wait for the open. Normal market will be open soon at 9:15. Let's see how there is a situation on the hourly chart of the index. On hourly chart, index is above the 20 days moving average, and it will showing some okay. It is good support at the level of 17,262. Uh, Nifty sustaining this level 17,259. It is good support for the Nifty. And if we go for the 10-minute charts, the index, it is very good amount of reversal we can able to see from this level. Nifty will sustain upside. It crossed the 20 days moving on average on the 10 minutes chart. Let's check NSE's website. This is chart of TCS. Let's see. Future retail. Is any announcement here or events? Next day, Bhagirath Chemical Industries board meeting tomorrow. DB Realties board meeting tomorrow. Let's see. There is one announcement from Ashok Leyland on 3rd of January. It's today itself. It is sales data of the Ashok Leyland. So there is no much difference in last year December's data and this year December data in category of trucks and buses and light commercial vehicles also. But this light commercial vehicle sales drop for the Ashok Leyland. Let's see about domestic plus export also. There is not much better figures for the Ashok Leylands for sales of December. That's another press release of UPL. It is earning swaps. UPL swap liquidity million acquisition loan. Not much important for us for trading. Let's see. Maruti Suzuki showing strength and it holding its 20 days moving average on the daily candle. And if Maruti Suzuki crosses the previous high of 22nd December, which is 7,500, then we will go for the long in Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki having buy call about the 7,500. And it is a very strong opening of the index. It is opened 17,448 and you can enter with bull call spread. You can buy 17,300 call option and short is 17,800 call option. It is very strong bullish opening of the index and it is trend reversal. It as we updated on 29th December video, 17,400 will be the line of control for the bulls and bears, and bulls taking the charge of the market now, and it is clear cut uptrend for next 800 to 1000 points in the market. We can able to see in few sessions. Once we draw this line of 17,400, and this trend line clear cut breakout through this trend line, and if sustained above this, definitely there will be the 800 to 1000 point rally in the index. Let's see about recent call of Quick Hill. What is the situation in Quick Hill? Quick Hill, okay, it opened at 250. Let's see where it will go. In previous session, it made a high of 257. Let's see TCS future position. Yeah, it's very very clear breakout in TCS also, and if sustained above this 3,760, then it will go for the 3,900. Just give me time for taking position of TCS. TCS 3778.7. This Maruti Suzuki also near to break 17,500, and you can take position with the stop loss of uh, around days low, which is 7,420. You can go for long in Maruti Suzuki also, because it break the recent highs of the trend line of recent highs, and it will be very strong bullish, and it will go for the level of 17,730. and it is break through the 7,510, and you can see how it will going upward in its direction. TCS Maruti Suzuki, one of the best picks from our side in recent days. So I hope many of you entered in the our bull spread of Nifty 17,300 call option of January, and Nifty 17,800 call option January short. Current price of 17,300 call option is 385 and 129. The 17,800 call option. It is around, and you can able to see this 7,555, almost 60 points rally we got in the Maruti Suzuki. And let's see what is fabulous, fabulous. It is 70 points, 73. And you, you see, we didn't use any fancy indicators, any fancy what there is no algorithm. It is simply trend line and one simple moving average, and uh, just candlestick patterns. It is 89 points, 90 points rally, 94 points rally, and for intraday we are going to book at 7600. Let's see. Our call spread also is running. Uh, we took entry in 17,300 call option at 385 and 800 call option at 129. Now it is 393 and it is 134. It is small MPM and we hit our target. We got 100 points moment in the Maruti Suzuki. We are still holding. We didn't book the profit. Let's see where it will head. It is still we holding our bull spread in the Maruti Suzuki. Let's see. And it's like downside 7590. This time we are going to book at 7600. This is uh, let's see about TCS. TCS crossed the 3800. And let's check M to M where it is. are done for the today's live session and we are closing session.